welcome back to my channel. My name's Esmee Rose. And this is my sister. Introduce yourself.
My name Lula, I mean Martinez, but you can call me Lou. So today we are gonna be making
fiery, glowing volcano cakes. So we are gonna give some credit for the Edible Crafts Kids Cookbook, 25 fun projects to make and eat, ages 4 to 8. And so this is what we're going to be ending up with. And this is our second recipe in the book that we picked out, but it's going to be very cute. And then in our next video, we're just going to do all that. Here's what they're going to be looking like. And we're going to make them just like that, but a little bit different. But anyways, before we get into business, we're going to be doing something. Ready, Lula? Get off your chair. Ready, set, dance party! Yeah. All right, back to business. So, sit back in your chair. So, we are going to be doing some really... Oh, it looks like our ingredients are here. How much do we owe you?
Today is free.
Thank you. All right, we got the tray. Let's put it right there. Perfect.
So today's ingredients.
We are going to be having some nice, lovely stuff. So first, we have our cake that we're going to be crumbling up. Then, that's the cake mix thing. And then we have our frosting. And then we have our colors, red, orange, and yellow, Fruity Pebbles. And so then we have our 2 utensils, this one and that one. So now let's take them off the tray. Thank you. Here's $2. Tip.
Thank you.
All right, now we are just going to be crushing these up with our hands. And then, yeah, so we got to crush them like this. Crush them like this, but make sure you wash your hands for about 30 seconds. All right, now while we're doing this, our mom is actually going to put this in the microwave.
That's for the lava.
This is the lava. So this is the lava. Perfect. Now we're just going to wait for a little bit, and while we're doing that, let's just mix this.
You're going to mix up so that you can form your volcano.
We got to form our volcano, but after this, you don't even have to cook it. It's just going to be nice and silky in your mouth.
It's already cooked.
Already cooked. So now we're just going to keep mixing.
Go from the bottom.
It's very hot, so make sure you wait for about 10 to 20 minutes.
I can see the smoke.
All right, you're just supposed to crumble it up. Is it all crumbled?
No, not yet.
You got some big chunks in here.
So,
Just
I can make a ball.
no balls.
Okay, we're not. Just crumble it first.
All right, now we're all done.
All right.
Now we just gotta wait for the lava to be ready. And while we're waiting, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I use for my makeup. Let me go get it.
All right, Lula, put the frosting into the cake mix.
Okay.
Use the spoon right here.
Okay. I got this one.
Whatever one you want to use.
Here's the kit. It's a Baby Yoda.
And now we are going to put
This
icing in here.
Uh-huh.
first we gotta.
Big glob. Big glob.
Oh my god.
It's sticking right there.
So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use for my makeup. This looks kind of disturbing.
That glob. Right there.
If you want a little dessert, just eat it.
I'm hungry.
Alright,
Give me the spoon.
there.
Now,
Alright, now let's do this now that it's all cool, we just need to mix it up with this. It's lovely, lovely to be doing this. Whew, it's hot. This is actually like a cute spa, but instead you're getting yourself all muddy. It's like I'm playing with Play-Doh.
Want to push your chair in?
Ooh, yes. Yes. It's like condensed milk. By the way, make sure while you're using the microwave, make sure that you have a pan with you. Liz just enjoying her stuff right there. While I'm mixing and working.
Once it's like mixed enough where it could be like a balls.
Where it's like mixed enough where it like, if it like can do like this like perfect ball right here, then that means it's all ready. And if it's like not like right, it got to be like this color, kind of like poop manure. Sorry to say that to your kids, but
They all know.
they all know what it is.
It's
Alright.
a butthole.
Go underneath.
We'll just cut that part out.
It's a butthole.
Alright, now we're just gonna get it from underneath and just. Alright, now that we are all done, now we're just gonna make them into little volcano molds.
So first, here, I'm gonna separate it into 4 groups for you.
4 groups of separation.
Because we're gonna make 4 lava, or 4 volcanoes. Hold on, just wait 1 second.
I know, it looks like I'm very old to using 8-year-old books. I'm 9, 10, something.
Alright,
I don't even know how old I am.
You are 9.
Alright, so
Big
1,
fat blob.
2. Alright,
Alright,
so here's
now-
1. There's 1.
You can
Pass that to Lula.
We gotta make them like into volcanoes. Flat. Alright, perfect. I just made a volcano.
just make it round.
I don't know what this looks like.
Make it round and then make.
Lula, that's perfect.
Are you gonna see that?
Yeah, we're gonna make 1.
You can make one.
Look it. Hey,
We gotta make like the hole for it. There we go.
There's another one.
Stop. You can mess up. You can mess the mommy and daddy one up.
Go make the lava.
Now we're just gonna make the lava.
The lava is right there.
Alright, that's perfect. Condensed. Andrew, who's laughing over there?
Pouring, like one of your, so if I melt this, I can
Mom, we
pour
got
it on
bags.
the syrup. Or,
No, not yet. We gotta wait for the lava to be cooking.
don't you have your coffee?
The tin one?
Yeah.
We got some 3 volcanoes. Stop! Don't touch my volcano.
Hey, you gotta make it like me.
No, I don't have to. Boom.
Is the lava
I'm gonna show you very cute something after this. Really cute.
You
But
know,
he's sleeping right now apparently because his lazy butt can't get up.
because his name is.
Here, wanna
Don't
show
tell
this?
him.
While we're doing it?
We're gonna do this at the end of the video.
Okay.
That's so short, Esmee.
It's not. Mine looks perfectly fine.
No?
Comment down below if you did this
Will you
recipe,
say
and maybe you guys can tell us a recipe too, and we'll just do it.
So you do a round like this, and then you make a hole
or 10 more? We'll pour half and half.
I'm starting mine.
No, you can't do that. Gotta wait for the volcano.
You need the lava.
We need lava. Perfect condensate. Perfect. Our lava's ready.
Our lava's ready.
Let's do this. So we got our things. Let's start. So we got our things right here.
And then we're going to put them
Lava
on.
has arrived. Pass this to
Our
Lula.
lava has been here. It's
Pass
like
it to
this.
Lula.
And now I'm just borrow this.
And
Like
then
it's
we
like
will
lava.
pour
And
it,
just pat it behind the back.
pour it in.
Yeah, you
So
pour
we're
your
just gonna
lava.
pour. I'm gonna pour some in that hole. Now we're just gonna put it down.
Nice.
Oh,
Lula.
nice. You're erupting, Lula.
Ooh, that's nice. That's nice.
Nice,
That's
Lula.
nice.
Alright, Lou, you want to put some of those flakes on?
All right, once your lava. Lula, if you have any left, put it on the big
Some of
mama.
yours doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is horrible.
If you have any left, put it on the middle one, Esmee.
All right. Perfect.
Now pour it on.
All right, watch out, Lula.
Watch out, Lula. I heard you.
Our
that's
parents
a
love
good one.
chocolate.
Love chocolate.
Everybody loves chocolate.
Lula.
All right, time for the fire.
Now it's
Volcanic
time for the
activity.
fire.
Give me
Put.
Now we're just gonna be sprinkling these all over. We had to take like 2 hours to make this. Well, at least they did. I barely even had to do nothing.
anything.
Anything. Nothing. No, anything. So like the volcano's erupting from mine. None of ours looks perfect.
Hey.
Now we're just gonna make.
Just pour it on, though.
Okay.
No!
She said pour it.
Nice.
Nice. That's great.
Delicious. All right, y'all. Now we're just gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. All right, so I'm just gonna take a bite out of mine. All right, for some reason, I'm just gonna first take a bite.
Oh, God.
Nice.
Mm. Oh.
You want to fork it out?
All right, this is real good. I give this a 9 out of 10.
I give this 100 out of 100 because it's super, super good.
This lava is just killing me right now. Alright. Manners.
It's so good like a buckle.
Sorry, just we'll cut that out. Yes. Okay.
This is better than McDonald's. This is better than any place.
We'll be right back. I gotta go wash my hands so I can do some stuff.
Oh, man.
Our
Good job.
No.
Wait up, Lula. Wait. So I say, you say, what do you want? Sounds around like,
It's still on.
like you can edit.
This is good.
Go.
Try them all.
Okay. Now we are going to try this one.
No.
Want to say volcano joke?
Yeah.
Can we eat this one, Mom?
Go for it. I don't care.
Oh,
This dog smells chocolate. This is the cutest thing in the world, honestly. Nice.
Nice.
So actually, this is the coolest thing and goodest. I have to recommend if you guys try it. Real good. Especially this like
Okay.
volcano mud. It's just wonderful. So now we're going to be doing different videos on Thursday. Thursday is going to be a self-defense move. So just see that. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys this makeup packet. It's like Baby Yoda. I really love it. So I'm going to show you if you guys want that. So first we have this like cute palette, and it's like beautiful colors. Then Star Wars lipstick. Then, last but not least, it's like a brown. Hers is glittering, and then we have this cute mirror. Really cute. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure to watch our videos every Saturday.
I'm eating the big cake.
I'm gonna eat some big cake. And this is what is amazing. Alright, like and subscribe. That's the same thing though. Okay, make sure to ring that bell like we have for ingredients.
Now give it a big thumbs up.
Now next time when we make the video, it's gonna be magical. It's gonna be some unicorns, loveliness,
Unicorn.
cheese. It's gonna be cheese. Something with cheese. Now bye. Bye, bakers. Bye. Just close it. Just close it.